UP. The cauldron of conflict, where religious war is brewing.
गंगा किनारे के वो स्थान वहां भगवान की जन्मभूमि दिखा दी है भक्ति मार्ग में।
The places on the banks of the river Ganges have been shown as the birthplace of God in the path of bhakti.
काशी में शंकर भगवान को दिखाया है।
They have shown Lord Shankar in Kashi.
अयोध्या में राम भगवान को दिखाया है और मथुरा में कृष्ण भगवान को दिखाया है।
They have shown Lord Ram in Ayodhya and Lord Krishna in Mathura.
जो भी मनुष्य रूप में भगवान के अवतार हैं या माने जाते हैं वो सब कहाँ दिखाई दिए?
All the incarnations of God in the form of a human being or who are believed as the incarnations of God, where have they been shown?
मगध देश में दिखाई दिए हैं।
They have been shown in the land of Magad.
बाबा ये यूपी में ज्यादा धार्मिक स्थल मिला है। यूपी राज्य में जो इंडिया के यूपी राज्य है ना, उस जगह पर ज्यादा धार्मिक स्थल मिला है।
क्या मिला है?
धार्मिक स्थल
मथुरा। धार्मिक स्थल ज्यादा है।
हाँ, मथुरा, वृंदावन।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी। भगवान की जन्मभूमि
जी
वो यूपी में ही गाई हुई।
Student, Baba, the religious places have been found more in the Indian state of UP. Baba, there are more religious places. Student, for example, Mathura, Vrindavan. Baba, yes, UP itself is famous as the birthplace of God.
तो ज्यादा होने का कारण क्या है?
Student, what is the reason for it?
उसका कारण ये है कि भारत का विदेश है दक्षिण भारत।
Baba, the reason is that South India is the foreign land of Bharat.
वो विदेशी बाप को प्रत्यक्ष करते हैं।
Those foreigners reveal the Father.
लेकिन विदेशियों की भाषा, विदेशियों की चाल चलन, विदेशियों की रीत रस्म रिवाज वो सब विदेशी होते हैं।
However, the language of the foreigners, their behavior, their rites, rituals and traditions are all foreign.
इसलिए बाप को उतनी गहराई तक नहीं पहचान पाते।
This is why they are unable to recognize the Father deeply.
और भारतवासियों की, उत्तर भारत वालों की?
And what about the Bharatvasis, the North Indians?
भाषा हिंदी,
Their language is Hindi.
चाल चलन सब देवताओं की जो चाल चलन है उसके जानकार हैं।
As regards their behavior, they are aware of the behavior of the deities.
रीत रस्म रिवाज भी भक्ति मार्ग के फॉलो करते हैं, वही जो देवताओं के थे, भले दूसरे रूप में।
The rites, rituals and traditions that they follow in the path of bhakti are also the same as that of the deities, although in a different form.
वो जल्दी ही राज को समझ जाते हैं शास्त्रों का।
So, they understand the secrets of scriptures soon.
और भगवान के असली स्वरूप को भी शास्त्रों के आधार पर जल्दी कैच कर लेते हैं।
And they also recognize the true form of God on the basis of scriptures.
इसलिए अभी ये ज्ञान,
This is why now this knowledge,
बेसिक ज्ञान कहो तो तक 70 साल हो गए।
if we speak about the basic knowledge, 70 years have passed.
और एडवांस ज्ञान कहो
And if we speak about the advanced knowledge,
तो 25 और 8
25 plus 8,
33 साल हो गए।
35 years have passed.
दक्षिण भारत वालों ने अभी भी बाप को प्रत्यक्ष नहीं कर पाया।
The South Indians haven't been able to reveal the Father yet.
और उत्तर भारत वाले लोग अभी निकले नहीं है।
And the North Indians haven't emerged in knowledge yet.
निकले हैं तो छोटे छुटपुट।
Even if they have emerged, they are very few.
जब गंगा निकलेगी
When Ganga comes out,
तो उसके पीछे पीछे सारा भारत, उत्तर भारत निकल पड़ेगा।
the entire North India will come in knowledge behind her.
जो मुरली में बोला है,
It has been said in the Murli,
जब सन्यासी निकलेंगे तो तुम बच्चों की विजय हो जाएगी।
when the sannyasis come, you children will gain victory.
The speciality of UP is, just like there are many pilgrimage places of bhakti in UP, you are also increasing the service centers of knowledge well. There are also many devotee souls in UP. So, O Master God, now listen to the cries of the devotees and give them the fruits of their bhakti even faster. You are giving it, but increase the speed even more. The speciality of UP is, you are taking a very good chance of making the numerous poor souls rich. UP occupies a large area on the map of the Kaurav government too. The area is very wide. Similarly, prove yourselves by making the area of service number 1 on the map of the Pandav government. Reveal the remaining hidden heirs especially in this year. Whatever you have done so far is very good. Now, the souls everywhere should say, once more, even more. They should clap saying, Vah Vah. Those from UP will perform such a special task as well. Now, build even more centers of knowledge. Continue to convert pilgrimage places into the centers of knowledge. Avyakt Vani 12 December 1979, page 110, middle. Religious war.
यूपी को धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है, इसका मतलब क्या है?
Question. UP has to show the play of religious war. What does this mean?
इसका मतलब यही है कि धर्म का युद्ध करने वाला कोई यूपी में पार्ट बजाता है विशेष।
Baba. This means the one who fights the religious war plays a part in UP in particular.
तो जो विशेष पार्ट बजाने वाला है, धर्म का युद्ध प्रैक्टिकल में करके दिखाने वाला है।
So, the one who plays a special part, who fights the religious war and proves himself in practice,
वो जरूर ईश्वरीय ज्ञान लेने वाला होगा,
he will certainly be the one who takes the Ishwariya knowledge,
या दुनियावी मनुष्यों से ज्ञान लेने वाला होगा।
or will he be the one who takes knowledge from the worldly people?
ईश्वरीय ज्ञान ही धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखा सकता है।
It is only the Ishwariya knowledge that can show the play of religious war.
और भी प्रैक्टिकल में हो भी रहा है।
And it is also taking place now in practice.
यूपी में धर्म युद्ध का खेल शुरू हो गया।
The play of religious war has begun in UP.
धुआंधार पुतले जलाए जा रहे हैं।
Effigies are being burnt furiously.
और धर्म युद्ध का खेल ऐसा चल रहा है जिसमें पुतले जलाएं या कुछ भी करें।
And the play of religious war is going on in such a way that whether they burn the effigies or do anything,
कुछ भी बिगाड़ नहीं हो पा रहा है।
they aren't able to spoil anything.
जो अधर्म का युद्ध करने वाले होते हैं वो सुनी सुनाई बातों के आधार पर चलते हैं।
Those who fight the irreligious war, they act as per the hearsay.
धर्म का युद्ध करने वाले सुनी सुनाई बातों के आधार पर नहीं चलते हैं।
Those who fight the religious war don't act as per the hearsay.
बाबा ऐसे पुतला जलाते हैं ना, इन लोगों का आगे चलकर पनिशमेंट ज़्यादा होगा ना।
Student, Baba, those who burn the effigies this way, they will be punished more in future, won't they?
वो अज्ञानी बनकर जलाते हैं या ज्ञानी बनकर जलाते हैं?
Baba, do they burn them being ignorant or do they burn them being knowledgeable?
हैं? अज्ञानी बन के जलाते हैं।
Students, being ignorant. They burn them being ignorant.
पुतला जलाने से कोई नुकसान हो जाता है क्या?
Is any harm caused by burning the effigy?
पुतला जिसका जलाया गया, उसका पुतला जलाने से क्या कोई उसका नुकसान होता है?
The one whose effigy is burned, is he harmed by his effigy being burned?
कुछ नहीं।
Not at all.
This is not an ordinary board. This is the massive Mahabharat board of knowledge. Everyone has to pass through it.
जैसा कि आपके द्वारा कहा जाता है कि आप ना तो कुछ लेते हैं ना कुछ देते हैं, ठीक है। इतना बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर यहाँ दिल्ली ऑल ओवर इंडिया में चल रहा है, तो विदाउट फंडिंग में कैसे चल रहा है?
बाबा वीरेंद्र जो दुनिया बदलने की बात कर रहे हैं, कब तक दुनिया के सामने आए?
UP has to show the play of religious war. Avyaktwani 24th December 1979, page 146, end.
यूपी वालों को धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है।
The people of UP have to show the play of religious war.
क्योंकि मिलिट्री वाले जैसे होते हैं ना, जिनके अंदर मिलिट्री पने के संस्कार हैं,
It is because, just like there are the military men, aren't there? Those who have the sanskars of a military man in them.
जन्म जन्मांतर युद्ध भूमि में काम करती रही है आत्माएं,
The souls who have been working on the battlefield for many births.
तो अगर शरीर छोड़ेंगी तो भी अगले जन्म में कहाँ पहुँचेंगी?
Even if they leave their body, where will they reach in the next birth?
है? युद्ध क्षेत्र में पहुँच जाएंगी।
They will reach the battlefield.
तो उत्तर भारत वालों में खास यूपी वालों को लिए बोला है। क्या बोला है?
Among the North Indians, it has been especially set for the people of UP. What has been said?
है? धर्म युद्ध का खेल यूपी को दिखाना है। क्यों?
UP has to show the play of religious war. Why?
और लड़ाई झगड़ा करना, ये तो निर्धन की निशानी है।
It is certainly a sign of orphans to fight and quarrel.
है? जो धनी धोरी बाप के बच्चे होंगे वो युद्ध करेंगे।
Will the children of the master, the father, wage a war?
या शांत होने वाले होंगे?
Or will they be peaceful?
है? शांत होने वाले होंगे।
Student, they will be peaceful. Will they be peaceful?
माने महाभारत गृह युद्ध से उनको पसार नहीं होना चाहिए।
Does it mean they shouldn't pass through the massive civil war of Mahabharat?
मुरली में तो बोला है, गेटवे टू हेवन इज महाभारत।
Student, they have to. It has definitely been said in the Murli, gateway to heaven is Mahabharat.
जब तक महाभारत युद्ध से पसार नहीं हुई कोई आत्मा,
Until a soul passes through the massive war of Mahabharat,
तब तक स्वर्ग के गेट में जा ही नहीं सकती।
he can't enter the gate of heaven at all.
ये सत्य और असत्य का युद्ध करना ही पड़े।
He will definitely have to fight this war of truth and untruth.
इसलिए युद्ध तो है,
This is why there is no doubt a war.
लेकिन बाहुबल का युद्ध नहीं है।
But It isn't the war of physical power.
कौन सा युद्ध है?
Which war is it?
ये रूहानी युद्ध है।
It is a spiritual war.
इस रूहानी युद्ध में धर्म युद्ध की बात है।
It is about fighting a religious war in the spiritual war.
अधर्म की बात नहीं होनी चाहिए।
There shouldn't be irreligiousness.
There are many sages, saints and holy men in UP. On one side, there are pilgrims, on the other side, there are holy men, a group of holy men. That group should reach the Madhuban. You can't rely on time. Now, you have to do 3 kinds of service at the same time. Through mind, words, relationships and connection, that is, through the face as well. When you do such fast service, it is then that the world will sing your glory. Avyakt Vani 25th February 2006, page 4, middle.
यूपी को धर्म युद्ध का खेल
दिखाना है।
वो कैसे होगा?
अरे
Student, Baba, UP has to show the play of religious war. Baba, it has to. Student, how will that happen? Baba, अरे
माना आप जो हैं आश्रम में जाके लड़ाई नहीं लड़ेंगे ज्ञान की।
It means you won't go to the ashram and fight the war of knowledge.
आप ज्ञान की लड़ाई लड़ेंगे कि नहीं लड़ेंगे?
Student, Baba, in detail. Baba, will you fight the war of knowledge or not?
कि डर के पूंछ दबा के भाग आएंगे?
Student, I will. Or will you run away in fear?
लड़ेंगे ना, तो वो युद्ध बढ़ेगा कि घटेगा?
You will, won't you? So, will that war increase or decrease?
है? बढ़ेगा तो
Student, it will increase. It will increase.
धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है।
So, you have to show the play of religious war.
The land of UP is especially praised as the pure land. The river Ganges of the path of bhakti that purifies everyone is also there, and according to bhakti, the land of Krishna is also in UP itself. The land holds a lot of glory. It is complete with the speciality of always becoming pure and making others pure. For example, the Father is glorified as the purifier of the sinful. The glory of those from UP is also equal to that of the Father. There is the glory of both, such a fortunate place and stage. To be always pure, this is the glory of the stage. So, do you consider yourself to be so fortunate? Always see your fortune and continue to always be happy and make others happy too by becoming happy. Because those with cheerful face are automatically the embodiments of attraction. So, the yadgar of the task of making others pure is in UP. Avyakt Vani 5th October 1987, page 71, middle.
बिल्कुल है।
Student, it is said, UP has to show the play of religious war. There is Bharat in living. So there will be someone who plays the part of UP in living, won't there? Baba, definitely there is someone.
तू पी सबसे पहले।
You should drink it first of all.
यू माने तुम,
You means you, that is tum.
और पी माने पियो।
And T means drink, that is pio.
तुम सबसे जास्ती पियो।
You should drink it the most.
यूपी में कौन सी नदी का गायन है?
Which river is famous in UP?
है? यमुना नहीं, यमुना का उतना गायन नहीं है।
Student, the Yamuna. Baba, not the Yamuna. The Yamuna isn't that famous.
यमुना का मथुरा और दिल्ली में गायन है।
The Yamuna is famous in Mathura and Delhi.
यूपी में खास गंगा नदी बहती है।
It is especially the river Ganges that flows in UP.
तो जो ज्ञान गंगाएं हैं,
So, those who are the Ganges of knowledge,
उनका नाम है तूपी।
Their name is Tupi, that is, you drink.
कौन पी?
Who has to drink?
तूपी।
You have to drink.
बाबा, यूपी का बेहद का अर्थ क्या है?
Student, Baba, what does UP mean in an unlimited sense?
यू माने क्या?
Baba, what does you mean?
यू माने क्या?
You. What does you mean?
यू माने यू।
You. Student, you. You means you.
आप हमको कहें, हम तुमको कहें।
You will call me you and I will call you you.
यू माने तुम हैं, और पी माने?
You means you, that is tum. And what does P mean?
पी माने पियो।
P means pio, that is drink.
हाँ, डायरेक्शन मिला, तुम पियो।
Yes, they received a direction. You should drink.
ये दक्षिण भारत वाले भी पीते हैं और तुम भी पीते हो।
Those from South India drink it and you also drink it.
वो पहले पी लेते हैं, कौन?
They drink it first. Who?
दक्षिण भारत वाले जो भाषा भी नहीं जानते हैं वो ज्ञान जल पहले पी लेते हैं।
Those from South India who don't even know the language drink the water of knowledge first.
उनके पीने से काम नहीं चलेगा। क्यों?
The task won't be accomplished by their drinking it. Why?
क्योंकि भाषा ही पूरी नहीं जानते हैं तो गुह्यार्थ को भी समझ नहीं सकते।
It is because they don't know the very language completely, so they can't understand the deep meanings either.
इसलिए डायरेक्शन है तुम पियो, यू पी।
This is why there is a direction. You should drink it. You pee.
तुम पियो तो काम बन जाएगा।
When you drink it, the task will be accomplished.
लेकिन वो पीते ही नहीं, कुंभकर्ण निद्रा में सोए पड़े।
However, they don't drink it at all. They are sleeping in the slumber of Kumbhakarna, meaning a character in the epic Ramayana.
इसलिए यूपी वालों से खास बोला हुआ है।
This is why it has been especially said to those from UP
यूपी को धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है।
that UP has to show the play of religious war.
माने दक्षिण भारत वाले जो हैं वो सुन तो लेते हैं, ज्ञान को समझ भी लेते हैं, बाप को प्रत्यक्ष भी कर लेते हैं।
It means those from South India certainly listen to it. They also understand the knowledge. They reveal the Father too.
लेकिन धर्म युद्ध की लड़ाई में मैदान में नहीं आते।
But they don't come on the battlefield for the religious war.
और यूपी क्या करेगा?
And what will UP do?
यूपी की आत्माएं जैसे ही निकलेंगी, जैसे ही बाप को पहचानेंगी, बस धर्म युद्ध शुरू कर देंगे।
As soon as the souls of UP come in knowledge, as soon as they recognize the Father, that is all. They will start the religious war.
या तो सत्य रहेगा या तो हम रहेंगे, असत्य रहेगा या तो हम रहेंगे।
Saying, there will either be falsity or us.
According to the worldly saying, the speciality of UP is, those from UP recite the mantra of you first a lot. But which mantra do you Brahmins recite? The Father first. The Father is first in every aspect. If you remembered the Father, you remembered everything. So, you should remember the Father first of all in every task. This is why those from UP always have the line of being a multimillionaire and multimillion fortunate on their forehead. Just as Delhi plays a role in the task of establishment, UP also plays a special role in it. As a result, they are special fortunate souls. Avyakt Vani 17th November 1994, page 15, and page 16, beginning.
बाबा मुरली में बोला है कि फरकावाद में मालिक को बहुत मानते हैं।
Student, Baba, it is said in the Murli, in Farrukhawad, they believe in the Master a lot.
यूपी को सरकार और निराकार की डबल लॉटरी मिली।
UP has received the double lottery of the corporeal one and the incorporeal one.
है, साकार में भी मिला हुआ है
और निराकार भी।
और निराकार बाप तो साकार में है ही।
Baba, yes, they have found him in the corporeal, and the incorporeal Father is certainly in the corporeal form.
हाँ?
तो इसका क्या अर्थ है?
अरे अर्थ तो आपने खुद ही बता दिया।
Student, what does this mean? Baba, Are, you yourself have said the meaning.
यूपी वालों को चाहे ले या न ले वो दूसरी बात है, लेकिन मिला हुआ है।
Though they take it or not, that is another thing. But the people of UP have found them.
कौन मिला हुआ है?
Who have they found?
साकार भी मिला हुआ है, साकार ने भी यूपी में जन्म लिया है।
Student, the corporeal one. They have found the corporeal one as well. The corporeal one was also born in UP.
और जो बेहद का जन्म है, बेहद का जन्म वो भक्ति मार्ग में कहाँ माना जाता है?
And as regards the unlimited birth, where is the unlimited birth believed to be in the path of bhakti?
वो भी यादगार यूपी में बनी हुई है, या तो वाराणसी यादगार बनी हुई है।
That Yadgar is also made in UP. The Yadgar is either made in Varanasi.
शंकर का स्थान माना जाता है, शिव शंकर भोलेनाथ का स्थान।
It is believed to be the place of Shankar, the place of Shiv Shankar Bholenath.
काशी विश्वनाथ गंगे,
They say Kashi Vishwanath Gange.
या तो अयोध्या मानी जाती है, राम जन्मभूमि, या तो कृष्ण जन्मभूमि मथुरा मानी जाती है।
It is believed to be Ayodhya, the birthplace of Ram, or it is believed to be Mathura, the birthplace of Krishna.
तो तीनों ही रूपों में भगवान का जन्म रूपी प्रत्यक्षता कहाँ मानी जाती है?
So, where is the birth-like revelation of God believed to be in all the three forms?
यूपी में मानी जाती है। इसलिए महाभारी महाभारत युद्ध भी जो होना है नहीं, यूपी में नहीं है।
Student, in UP. It is believed to be in UP. This is why even the massive war of Mahabharat that has to take place, student, it is in UP. No, it isn't in UP.
है तो नजदीक।
It is certainly nearby. Student, it is in Delhi.
नहीं, दिल्ली में भी नहीं है। महाभारी महाभारत युद्ध दिखाया है कुरुक्षेत्र के मैदान में।
No, it isn't in Delhi either. The massive war of Mahabharat is shown on the ground of Kurukshetra.
और कुरुक्षेत्र का मैदान है हरियाणा के नजदीक।
And the ground of Kurukshetra is near Haryana.
माना यूपी का बॉर्डर है।
That is, it is the border of UP.
महाभारत युद्ध तो अपने अंदर ही होगा, विकारों से युद्ध है।
अपने अपने अंदर तो होगा।
Student, the massive war of Mahabharat will certainly take place within us. It is the fight with vices. It will certainly take place within us.
लेकिन यूपी को धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है।
But UP has to show the play of religious war.
क्या?
What?
बड़ा महाभारत कहाँ होगा?
Where will the big Mahabharat take place?
उस महाभारत में ज्यादा खेल दिखाने वाले होंगे यूपी के।
Student, in UP. In that Mahabharat, the people of UP will show the play more.
क्योंकि जो जहाँ का होता है, जैसे नेहरू जी इलाहाबाद के थे।
It is because wherever someone belongs to, for example, Nehru ji was from Allahabad.
उन्होंने लंबे समय तक राज्य किया।
He ruled for a long time.
तो वो जीतते रहे। वो किस स्थान से जीतते रहे? इलाहाबाद से ही हमेशा उन्होंने इलेक्शन लड़ा और जीते।
He continued to win. From which place did he keep winning? Students, from Allahabad. He always took part in the election from Allahabad itself and won.
तो इलाहाबाद वालों ने उनको क्यों ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट किया?
So, why did just the people of Allahabad appreciate him more?
क्योंकि वहाँ की पैदाइश थे।
It is because he was born there.
वहाँ के लोगों का इस बात का फख्र था
The people of that place were proud
कि ये हमारे देश के हैं।
that he is from our state.
ऐसे ही यूपी वालों को जब पता चलेगा,
In the same way, when the people of UP come to know
कि भगवान का साकार रूप कहाँ होता है,
where the corporeal form of God is,
तो उनको नशा चढ़ जाएगा।
they will be elated.
इसलिए बोला है व्यक्तवाणी में, यूपी को धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है।
This is why it is said in the Avyaktavani, UP has to show the play of religious war.
अभी दिखाया नहीं है,
It hasn't shown it yet.
छुटपुट कहीं दिखा रहे हैं, थोड़ा थोड़ा।
आ ही रहे हैं अभी भी।
They are showing a little of it somewhere.
Just as there are temples in every street of UP, similarly, there should also be service centers in every street there. Only then will knowledge compete with bhakti. Avyaktavani 24th December 1979, page 146, end.
वाणी में बोला है कि यूपी को धर्मयुद्ध का खेल दिखाना
हैं?
यूपी को धर्मयुद्ध का खेल दिखाना है, ऐसा बोल रहे हो आप?
हाँ जी।
Student, it is said in the Avyaktavani, UP has to show the play of religious war. Baba, yes.
बाबा इसका अर्थ क्या है?
Student, Baba, what does this mean?
इसका अर्थ ये है कि यूपी में जितनी हिंदी अच्छी जानते हैं, उतना भारत के किसी भी स्टेट में इतनी अच्छी हिंदी जानने वाले हैं क्या? हैं?
Baba, it means, are there such people in any other state of Bharat who know Hindi as well as they do in UP?
और भगवान आके हिंदी में सुनाता है या दूसरी भाषा में सुनाता है?
Student, no. And does God come and narrate knowledge in Hindi or any other language?
तो अभी इस ज्ञान में चलने वाले जो एडवांस ज्ञान कहा जाता है, वो चलने वाले दक्षिण भारत से ज्यादा निकल रहे हैं या यूपी से निकल रहे हैं?
Students, in Hindi, now among those who follow this knowledge, which is called advanced knowledge, are people from South India or UP coming out more?
दक्षिण भारत से निकल रहे हैं। तो सुनो तो,
They are coming out from South India. Student asks something. Listen first.
तो दक्षिण भारत से जो निकल रहे हैं वो तो ज्ञान को समझेंगे या कम समझेंगे या समझेंगे ही नहीं?
Those who are coming from South India, will they understand the knowledge? Will they understand it less or not at all?
पहले तो समझेंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि वो भाषा बोलते ही नहीं हिंदी की।
Student, they will understand it less. Firstly, they just won't understand it because they don't speak the Hindi language at all.
दूसरी भाषाएं बोलते हैं।
They speak other languages.
आंध्र प्रदेश में तेलुगु बोली जाती है सरासर, कर्नाटक में कन्नड़ बोली जाती है, हिंदी नहीं।
In Andhra Pradesh, Telugu is spoken widely. In Karnataka, Kannada is spoken, not Hindi.
तमिलनाडु में तमिल बोली जाती है।
In Tamil Nadu, they speak Tamil.
केरला में मलयालम बोली जाती है।
In Kerala, Malayalam is spoken.
महाराष्ट्र में मराठी बोली जाती है। ये सारा दक्षिण भारत हो गया।
In Maharashtra, they speak Marathi. All these states are included in South India.
और दक्षिण भारत के लोग सन 86 से ही ढेर के ढेर एडवांस में आने लगे।
And the people of South India started coming in the advanced knowledge in large number since 1986 itself.
कंपिल में भीड़ लगने लगी।
Crowds started to gather in Kampil.
फरुखाबाद में अभी भी आ रहे हैं।
They are coming in Farrukhabad even now.
तो इससे साबित हुआ कि यूपी वाले ज्यादा समझेंगे या दक्षिण भारत वाले ज्यादा समझेंगे?
This proves, will the people of UP or the people of South India understand the knowledge more?
और जो समझेंगे वो अच्छी लड़ाई लड़ेंगे धर्म युद्ध की, कि जो ना समझेंगे वो धर्म युद्ध की अच्छी लड़ाई लड़ेंगे। इसलिए बोला है यूपी को धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है।
Students, the people of UP. And will those who understand it fight the religious war well, or will those who don't understand it fight the religious war well? Students, those who understand it. This is why it is said UP has to show the play of religious war.
और ये धर्म युद्ध की आग हो सकता है आगरे से ही शुरू हो जाए। इसका नाम है आग रहा।
And perhaps the fire of this religious war will start raging from Agra itself, and its name is Aag Raha, that is, fire kept raging.
Agra has to perform such a task or service, just like Agra is famous in the list of the worldly government. Similarly, those from Agra should look for such a service, through which it becomes famous in the almighty government as well. Avyakt Vani 30th November 2010, page 3, end.
आगरा में सर्विस है तो मदद देनी चाहिए।
There is service in Agra, so you should help them.
है? खास आगरा के लिए क्यों बोला?
Why was it said particularly about Agra?
है? यूपी को धर्म युद्ध का खेल दिखाना है, वो तो ठीक है।
It is all right that UP has to show the play of religious war.
लेकिन उसमें आगरे का ही नाम खास क्यों लिया?
But why was just the name of Agra mentioned in it particularly?
नाम ही क्या है?
What is the very name?
आगरा।
Agraha.
ज्ञानाग्नि को भड़काने वाला है।
It is the one that blazes the fire of knowledge.
और ईश्वरीय ज्ञान, ज्ञान सूर्य का ज्ञान है।
And the Ishwariya knowledge is the knowledge of the Son of Knowledge.
जब सूर्य बहुत तेज तपता है
When the sun shines very brightly,
तो कहते हैं सरदारों की भी आंख खुल जाती है।
it is said that even the eyes of Sardars, that is Sikhs, open.
जब दोपहर के 12 बजते हैं
When it is 12 o'clock in the noon,
तो कहावत है कि सरदार जागृत हो जाते हैं।
it is said that the Sardars wake up.
ये सरदार कौम वो कौम है जिसने हिंदुस्तान में विदेशियों से सबसे जास्ती टक्कर ली है।
This race of Sardars is such a race who oppose the foreigners the most in Hindustan.
मुसलमान आए तो मुसलमानों से टक्कर ली पंजाब में।
When the Muslims came, they opposed the Muslims in Punjab.
और क्रिश्चियन आए तो क्रिश्चियन से टक्कर ली।
And when the Christians came, they opposed the Christians.
स्वतंत्रता संग्राम में हिंदुओं ने इतने बलिदान नहीं दिए जितने बलिदान सरदारों ने दिए।
The Hindus didn't sacrifice their lives as much as the Sardars did in the freedom struggle.
तो समझने की बात है।
So it is something to be understood.
अगर समझ में बैठ जाए तो समझने के आधार पर वो कौम बहुत शक्तिशाली बन जाती है।
If they understand it, that race becomes very powerful according to their understanding.
तो बोला
So it was said,
बच्चों को आगरा में सर्विस के लिए मदद देनी चाहिए।
children should offer help for service in Agra.
क्योंकि जहाँ आग होती है
It is because where there is fire, that is Aag,
जोर से आग जलती है तो अंजाम क्या हो जाता है?
when fire burns intensely, what does it result in?
क्या रिजल्ट होता है?
What is the result?
भस्म हो जाता है।
It reduces everything to ashes.
आग जोर से जलती है तो क्या अंजाम होता है?
When the fire burns intensely, what is the result?
भस्म हो जाता है।
It reduces everything to ashes.
तो जो राख बन गए, भस्म हो गए,
So, those who have become ashes, who have turned into ashes,
उन आग बबूला होने वालों को मदद देनी चाहिए।
who become enraged, that is Aag Babula, you should help them.
Agra is small indeed, but Bap Dada always says, even the small ones are the wonders of Allah. So, those from Agra should prove themselves by performing such a wonder. You are small, but prove yourselves great wonders. Avyakt Vani 26 January 1995, page 127, end. Those from Agra haven't completed the task yet. Along with the Taj Mahal, people should have the vision of the Taj, that is, crown of knowledge as well. They are planning this now. This is what those from Agra have to do first. Avyakt Vani 19th January 1995, page 115, middle.
आगरा के लिए ये बात है, उसके दो अर्थ हैं।
This is about Agra. It has two meanings.
आगरा माने आगे रहा,
Aag Raha means it stayed ahead, that is Aage.
और आग रहा माने आग बबूला हुआ।
And Aag Raha means he became enraged, that is Aag Babula.
क्या झूठी बात सुन करके उसको सहन नहीं होता?
What? He can't bear to hear falsity.
वो झूठ के बरखिलाफ है।
He is against falsity.
तो जो झूठ खंड को खलास करने के लिए सदैव सन्नद्ध है, तैयार है,
The one who is always geared up and ready to destroy the land of falsity,
उसका साथ देना चाहिए या नहीं देना चाहिए?
should you support him or not?
देना चाहिए।
You should.
जो आगे आगे जाने वाले अच्छे अच्छे पुरुषार्थी हैं, उनका साथ देना चाहिए।
You should support very good Purusharthis who go ahead.
The Taj Mahal of cement and bricks in Agra attracts everyone. In the same way, it should become well known in Agra that there is certainly the Taj Mahal here, but those entitled to the crown, that is, Tajdhari, are also here in a hidden form. So, they shouldn't come to see only the Taj Mahal, but they should also come to see those who are Tajdhari. Let there be such an attraction of the Tajdhari souls. They should receive the vibrations that some elevated souls are present in a hidden form here. When the sages and monks who have the knowledge of the soul are able to attract others, what can't those who have the knowledge of the Supreme Soul do? So, each of you should consider yourself to be Tajdhari, that is responsible, thinking, it is my responsibility to attract people and make them belong to the Father. Do not make them belong to you, but to the Father. So, those from Agra show this newness so that everyone's attention is drawn. Did you understand? Prepare diamonds. Avyakt Vani 9th January 1995, page 94, end 95, beginning.